Low tire pressure, also known as the TPMS symbol, tire pressure monitoring system. It means one or more tires have pressure that is lower or higher than recommended. Low pressure can damage the tire, reduce fuel efficiently, and make driving unsafe. Check the correct tire pressure. The correct tire pressure is listed on the sticker in the door jamb, usually in PSI or bar, and it can be different for the front and rear tires. Always check tire pressure when the tires are cold, not after driving. Add air to the correct pressure, and the warning light should turn off. Don't forget the spare tire. Most vehicles do not monitor the spare with a TPMS sensor. However, if your vehicle has a direct TPMS system and the spare is full-size and identical to the main tires, it might either the sensor, but this is rare. Installing a spare without a sensor in place of a main tire can cause the TPMS light to come on, because the system no longer detects one of the expected sensors. If this happens, don't worry. The light will turn off once the regular tires with sensors are back in place, or after a TPMS reset if your vehicle requires it. And remember, a warning light doesn't always mean something bad. Just be aware of your dashboard, and everything should be fine. Here's the quick rule. Red means stop, yellow means check, green means okay. Subscribe if you want more clear, simple videos like this, and like the video if it helped you.